Mabuhay! Good morning, this is GoGo Travels. How may I help you?
Retriever, please.
May I have your record locator, please?
X8 K7CQ.
Your record locator is X8K7Q, spelled as out X-ray 8 Kilo 7 Charlie Quebec 2. What about?
Recap, please.
So this is a booking for Texon Jalamis, spelled out as family name Tango Echo Charlie Sierra Oscar Nancy, space first name Golf Echo Lima Alpha Yankee, under the flight Philippine Airlines 468 via Echo Class on September 20. You have a return flight under PR 469 Echo Class on September 25 from South Korea to Manila, departing South Korea at 7:55 p.m. in the evening, arriving at Manila at 5:30 p.m. in the afternoon. To be ticketed on September 18, thank you for booking with us and we hope you have a safe flight.